Hi Eric, I hope you had a good weekend. I'm gonna go ahead and start though. So, fun fact of excuse me. The fun fact of the week is that a cloud can weigh over 1,000,000 pounds. So this is possible because clouds are made up of little particles of water and ice. A lot of these little particles, and together they're really heavy. However, as you might have noticed, clouds are huge, and they can spread out for miles, and so the gravity actually acts on the molecules individually, and because they are small and spread out, they're less affected by gravity than, say, a large, dense object, like an elephant, which doesn't weigh 1,000,000 pounds, but would not float in the sky like a cloud does. Um, so we're going to go ahead and start in your paper now. Um, Before we start, I just wanted to let you know you only submitted a paragraph, so I don't have as much to say as usual. What you did submit was pretty good. You have an original argument. No one else on my list argued against laughing, or at least at not laughing at certain times. So good job there. You have really good points and examples, so your argument's pretty solid. So that's great too. And you are using contractions like a dream. So, you know, you're doing well. The only thing that really drew my attention this week was capitalization. So, just a quick reminder, you start sentences with capitalized words. Um, and I've fixed this on here for you, and at least some of them. You want to go back and check for all of them. And and most nouns are not capitalized unless they're proper nouns. So teachers is not capitalized unless it's the first word in the sentence. Yeah, so I mean, really, that's it. You did a good job. I don't have a lot to say. Just try and submit a little more next week. Keep up the good work. I will talk to you later. Bye.